Hello and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to show picture thumbnails not showing in Windows 10. So without further delay, let's get started. Open your location of pictures. As you can see, this is my location where the pictures are located. Once you open the folder, just go to view at the top here, click on the view tab. Now once you click on view tab, click on options and change folder search option. Now once it's done, click on view. This is the general view, so which we have folder option, or you can go to your start and search for folder option. Right, so now here click on view, and then as you can see here we have always show icons, never thumbnails. So we need the thumbnails to be showing, so just uncheck that and then apply. So now you can see our picture thumbnails are shown on the folder. So that is how to solve this issue. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.